Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to create a trust wallet for your Treasure NFTs. First, you'll need to download the official Trust Wallet application from your mobile device's app store. It's crucial to verify you're getting the legitimate app to protect your assets. Once downloaded, open the application and choose the option to create a brand new wallet. This initial step is straightforward and takes only a few moments to complete. Next, the application will present you with a 12-word recovery phrase. This phrase is the master key to your wallet, so write it down precisely as shown. It's vital to store this phrase offline, perhaps on paper, in a very secure and private place. Remember, anyone with this phrase can access your funds, so never, ever share it with anyone. This step is the most critical for your wallet's security. Now that your wallet is secure, you can connect it to a platform like the Treasure NFT marketplace. Open your device's web browser and go to the marketplace website. On the site, you'll typically find a Connect Wallet button, often located in the top right corner. Click this button and then select Trust Wallet from the list of options presented. This action will prompt a connection request within your Trust Wallet application. After selecting Trust Wallet, a notification will appear in your Trust Wallet app asking you to approve the connection. Simply confirm this request, and your wallet will be successfully linked to the NFT platform. You are now ready to view, buy, or sell your Treasure NFTs. For security, always remember to disconnect your wallet from any platform once your transactions are complete. This practice helps keep your digital assets safe.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.